to start off this week's series of sketchbook mini lessons, we are going to draw a bottle of white glue and a glue stick. So to get started, this week we're going to start off on the left side of our paper versus the right from last week. So we're going to draw two horizontal lines, vertical lines. Now if you want a wider bottle, you can do so. And I'm going to connect the bottom of my two vertical lines, adding a slight curve. Then I'm going to curve and connect, or draw a curved line and connect my top two vertical lines. Now I kind of want to make sure this part is a little bit flatter at the top, because that is where I'm going to add the glue bottle cap. I'm going to make two more vertical lines here and here, and a line connecting those two. Going to make a smaller rectangle shape here. Now to estimate the top of where the glue bottle tip is, I'm going to put a dot here to estimate and go from that dot and go down. Okay. I'm going to add some vertical lines here to give that texture from the screw cap. And I'm going to create a small rectangle on the inside for the label of my glue bottle. Now you can design the label how you want. I'm going to just real quickly write white glue. And I'll do my glue in block letters. I'll have to go back and clean that up. Okay. So just real quick, that's what I have. Now to draw a glue stick, I'm going to make two vertical lines. Going to connect those two vertical lines with a curve. This one is going to be just like when we drew the spines in the back of a book. Now for the top, I'm actually going to draw an ellipse instead of just a curved line. I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. So that's my glue cap, and this is that base where you turn the glue. So I'm going to add some little arches there for texture, and I'll label my glue stick. And there you have it. So I've went in and I have added the color to my glue bottles. And normally I use just a regular Sharpie, but for this one, because my drawing is so much smaller, I went in with the ultra fine tip Sharpie. So we're going to add a little shading to the white glue bottle. Now you can do your shading in either blue or gray. It's totally up to you. For the most part, when I'm shading something that's white, I prefer to use blue. So I'm just going to go along the bottom here, and maybe add one here because it's so close to that glue stick. And go into the design of my glue bottle. There. And maybe add a little in the texture here. And there. There we go.